So you just got word that you're going to be coming into a big inheritance. Congratulations. But now you're freaking out because you're afraid it's going to cause your Social Security checks to stop because you will exceed your Social Security earned income limit. For this year, that is $23,230, and you're going to get $100,000. You're like, well, you know, a little forward, a little backwards. No, the Social Security earned income limit is only for earned income, wages, gross income if you're working for someone, and net income if you're self-employed. Inheritance will not count at all. Inheritance is also not taxable income. So it's not going to increase your taxable income, which would increase your Medicare. So like I've talked about, if you sell a house, you take a lot of money out of your 401k, your IRA, and you put it in your savings account, boom, you have to pay taxes on it. Not only do you pay taxes on it, but it also causes your Medicare Part B premiums to go up. So inheritance is not taxable. It won't impact your Medicare. What an inheritance might do that could hurt you is if you're getting any type of assistance program. You're getting a low income subsidy for your Medicare Part D plan. You're on Medicaid, food stamps, anything with some kind of assistance that was based on you having a certain amount of income and assets. And now this inheritance is going to blow it all up. And I've had clients that have been my clients for years call me and say, I don't know why my drugs are costing so much more now. And I'm thinking, why would anything change? And I'll say, did you get an inheritance? And they'll say, yeah. Sometimes it's just a little inheritance, 10,000, 20,000. But because you got it and put it in the bank, and now it's an asset, you're going to lose your assistance. So there are ways to take that and get rid of it. You might make improvements to your house. Okay, so you might lose Medicaid for 1 month, and then next month you're going to qualify again. So for this month, we got to get rid of the money. So you can make improvements to your house. You could buy a new car. You could pay for all your kids' prepay their funerals up to $1,500, and yourself and your spouse. There are certain things you can do. You can work with an elder law attorney so that you can legally get rid of the inheritance, legally, and you can't give it to your kid. That's not going to count. But if you spend it down, then the next month you can requalify for those assistance programs. I hope this helped. And if you learned something, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.